I hate driving in the rain. It's annoying as hell. It's loud, obnoxious. I don't like it. Good thing is, I'm only 50 miles away from my destination, so yes, I'm in Tennessee right now. But the weather is shit. It's crazy. The rain has slowed down a little bit, so which is good. You see, what tends to make these usually a terrible driving condition is the fact that you have a lot of people that continues to drive as if it's normal, it's not raining, right? So you still have people doing like 70 miles an hour and stuff like that, and then the visibility is greatly reduced. And as a trucker, you basically have to, like, anything that happened, 90% of the time will be your fault, right? Because if you work for a company, people are gonna try to sue you, whatever the case may be. So then you have to not only look out for yourself, you also have to look out for everybody around you. And when you have a lot of people that just don't care and just want to drive as if like it's normal, then it makes a very dangerous situation. So the visibility is reduced, people still drive like idiots, and the road's slippery. So yeah, snow time and raining time is the worst time to drive as a trucker, especially if you're new.